Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can see comment on YouTube. So for some people, when they open up a random video, they just won't be able to see the comment. Like in my case, as you guys can see, like I'm not able to see any comment. It says restricted mode has hidden comment for videos. So if you also have this setting on, then follow the step which I'm going to show you. And before I show you the step, the first thing is make sure to turn that restricted mode off. To do that, you need to click on your YouTube's profile picture at the top right after opening YouTube and click on where it says setting, which is going to be a bit at the down. Once you're inside setting, the first option where it says general, click on general, and from general you can clearly see this option called restricted mode. It is turned on, and what this restricted mode does, well, this helps hide potentially mature videos. No filter is 100% accurate. The setting only applies to this app on this device, which means that comments are hidden because of this mode. So I'm going to turn this off. Once I turn this mode off, what I can do is just go back and open up a random video again. And as you guys can see, I'm able to see the comments again. And even after doing that, if you're still not able to see the comments, then just close your YouTube and reopen it again. Sometimes it takes a bit of time for the setting to be applied, so if you close and open your YouTube channel, it should be fixed. If it's still not fixed, then the other thing you can do, or the last option you can do, is just delete your YouTube app and reinstall it again. Once you delete and reinstall your YouTube app, basically your problem should be fixed. That's how you guys can see comment in YouTube. If you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then.